Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good today. Today I am going to solve the LeetCode problem, largest number, that is problem number 179. You can read the question here. The question suggests that you are given with the list of integers and the name of that list is nums. You need to arrange the element of the nums in such a way that it should give you the largest number. Remember, you do not need to add them, you should just need to adjust them and write them as a combination and join together and then give the output. For example, you are given with the two numbers 10 and 2. If you will just put them like that, your only possible combination of them is one. You can put 10 and 2 together, that will give you 102 answer, and the other is you have to swap 2 with the 10, so you will end up with the answer of 210. Of course, for the nums that has two elements only, you can arrange them in the two ways. So in the two ways, the 210 here is the largest possible number and the answer here is 210. Now the other example consists of the 5 elements and you need to arrange them. In your elementary school, you have already knew that in order to be the largest number, you need to arrange the number in the descending order. So first, the basic idea of solving this problem is sorting them in the descending order and then swapping them. You can have a better understanding here. Consider two pointers. One is blue and the other is green. The green pointer should always be the one step ahead of the blue. The position of the blue pointer will be still at the first place through once the green pointer have iterated all these elements, then the position of the blue pointer is allowed to be changed. If you have joined these two, you will end up with the 330. Remember, as the question suggests, you need to return the string. You cannot return an integer, because if you add them with the data type of integer, you will get the number 3 plus 30 as the 33. We do not want that. So you have joined them while considering them as the string. If you are comparing them, you will consider them as the integer, and if you are joining them, you will consider them as a string. The other combination may be you can swap the 30 here and the 3 in the place of that would be 303. So the 330 here is the largest number, so you will not do anything, you will just keep this in a way like that. You will just keep in the way like that. Then you will move your green pointer ahead and check this combination. Now this combination is, the first combination is 334 and the other, when you will swap this, it will give the combination of 343. So of course 343 is the bigger number, so you will just swap 343, 34 here and the 3 here. You will just swap the positions of them. Same you will do here. If you will compare 345 with the 534, of course the 534 will be the bigger, so you will swap that. Once you are done with all these things, let me give I'm doing all these things for you. Yes, so that will be your final arrangement. Your blue pointer was initially on the first element, and that your green pointer has covered all these elements, and the final arrangement is in front of you. Now you will move the blue pointer to the second index. Now you will move the blue pointer to the second index and the green pointer to the one step ahead of the blue pointer. So now again you will compare them. The combination will be 303 and 330. So that means you need to swap them again. That is how you do that. and this same goes for all these things. Now you have the idea of that. Let's jump into the code. I've done the whole code here, just forget about it. Alright, so you can see here that the return type of the nums is an integer. First of all, you need to change this type to the string. So consider the empty list and the empty list with its indices. For converting the whole list into the integers, you will have to consider for elements in nums is the name of our list. What you are going to do, you are updating the list with the new data type, that is string. N is defined as the length of the list. That will give you the whole length from 1 2 3 4 5 like that. And for the other step, you need to consider the 2 pointer, that is for I. The blue pointer here is I. For I in range, I will go throughout the whole things. And the other pointer, that is the green pointer, is here J. For J in range, I plus 1 till end. As we have suggested that the green pointer will always move one step ahead of the blue pointer. Now here's the basic condition. What was the condition? That if the first number combination is greater than the other combination, then we will just let it as it is, and if not, we will swap them. So it can be written as a string, as we need to consider the data type as a string. List of index I plus a string if that is greater than J plus if that is greater than J plus I, just let it be. Do not do anything. If it is not, so for that you need to write the else condition. If it is not like this, then you simply have to swap conditions of them. You simply have to swap list I with the list index J, that is the pointer, with equals to as simple as that. And in the end, for joining, as we have considered that these two are a string, one more reason for considering changing the integer into the string is that you need to join them together, and this function is used for the joining purpose. The quotation here shows that you can use this function only on the strings, and in the end you will return the answer. That's it. Another case can be that if the element you have in the string is 0 0, so according to this code, it will give us the answer of 0 0. That is not the requirement. You need only 1 0. So for that you have to write couple of lines more, that is, if integer of answer is equals to 0, return 0. That's it. You can see that it has accepted all the cases, and you can also submit it. Thank you for your time. I hope this video will be helpful to you.